Hi guys! Kumusta na po kayong muli? So for our today's video guys ay magka-camping po tayong muli. And this time is 4 days naman po. So from Thursday up to Monday. So ito guys, pinakikita ko po ay ang mga ilang napamili namin from Trader Joe's na dadalhin po natin sa ating camping. Ayan. So, iba't ibang klase guys. So, ayan, may pizza dough dyan guys. So, plan kasi namin gumawa ng pizza. And then, ito pa po yung iba. Ayan. Ayan. So, may coconut water and sardines guys. Ayan siya. So, konti lang naman. And then, ito yung aming ulam para sa hapunan po. Ang sarap guys. So, meron dito nga eggplant to guys. Yan, niluto ni anak and then ginitong bangus po. Kaya tayo na guys! Look at the tropic. It's cool.
Look
Not
at that
really
sleepy
tropic.
shark.
Huh?
Look at that sleepy shark. Looks even more sleepy. Why was
So usually the weather here is different, yeah.
Yeah.
But now it's
This is south going towards California.
ah. Grilling. And then here it comes. It's so loud.
Oh shucks, you see that? How come?
We're here guys! So after 1.5 hour drive po, ay nakarating na tayo at thankful tayo kasi ang ganda ng weather guys. So walang traffic and then at the same time maaraw po siya, hindi umuulan. So first time namin dito guys. Ayan, so tignan po natin. Okay guys, so after po ng confirmation ng aming bookings, ay finally nandito na tayo sa ating camping spot at we're very lucky na nakakuha tayo ng full hookups guys.
Put it to auto. And there's the green light.
Na-set up na natin yung ating screen gazebo guys. Ayun yung mga stops ni husband. So nag-aayos pa kami. Ayan. And then ayun guys, may neighbor kami dun. Oh. And so ito pa yung mga ibang gamit namin. So nag-init akong tubig guys. And then ayan. Sorry naman sa styrofoam guys. Ayaw namin gumagamit niyan pero yan yung nakita kong available eh. And paper towel. And then, ano ba ito? Ay, oh. Guys, may bangus kami dyan. And then, yung ating bangus. And then, yung eggplant. And then, ano bang meron? Oh, sushi guys. Ayan, ginawa po ni anak. So, this one is vegetables. Ayan. Yummy. Ang bango. And then, ito yung ginamit ko na creamer dun sa aking hot chocolate. Ayan. Then, yung spring. So, gusto daw ni husband ng salad guys. So, ito po, ang sarap. And, pumunta kami sa grocery outlet guys, dito sa location na to. At, dito na po namin binili itong grass-fed na burger patties. So, guys, this one is second batch na po. Ayan, so nanood lang kami. And then, ayan guys, so matutulog na kami. Good night guys! Good morning, guys! Wow, ang ganda ng panahon, guys. Mukhang aaraw po. Kagaya ng biyahe namin kahapon. So, we're very thankful na maaraw, guys, nung bumiyahe po kami. And we didn't expect na maaraw kasi nga ilang araw din paulan-ulan po. Magluto tayo, guys, ng lumpiang toge. So, ready na lahat ng mga ingredients po. At windy today, guys. At habang nagluluto ako, guys, si husband naman gumagawa siya ng kanyang coffee. So, ayan, nag-grind si husband para fresh yung kanyang coffee. Ayan, guys, ready na po at mamaya na lang natin babalutin. Nagluto na din ako, guys, ng scramble egg. So, ayan po. Hinihintay kong maluto. And then, yung ating chicken wings. Inadobo ko na din, guys. So, ayan na yung ating chicken wings, guys. Ready na. So, pagkatapos ko, guys, makaluto po, ay nag-decide kami ni husband na mamasyal or mag-ikot, guys, around the area kasi first time po namin dito and gusto din namin ipakita po sa inyo. Kaya tara, tingnan po natin.
Nice baby.
Opo. I think on your kaliwa.
Yeah, agreed. Cabins out there on the street, actually.
Yeah.
It's all making sense now. Like, there's a whole nother set down there. When it's probably, they don't want to spread out when it's not aggressive like.
Oh my, that those are extremes, baby.
Basketball and volleyball courts, upper pool, and cabana upper lodge. So there's stuff up. Are we gonna go eat? Sit to the bench. They have their own. So I guess really, it's not that to it, I guess.
Yeah.
That one's cool how open that is. Okay. We were so excited. Yeah, I liked your idea of just an open spot.
There, ha?
Yeah. This is really a nice place. Oh, we could just stay there too. I'm fine with that. There, oh.
So guys, dito po yung view deck nila. So nakita namin to nung pinapanood namin sa YouTube. So gusto ni husband i-try yung kanyang drone. So babalik na kami sa aming camping spot at maglalakad na lang kami pabalik dito, guys. So eto na. So nakabalik na kami. So malapit lang to, guys. So ito yung pinaka view deck po. And then bababa kami, guys. Ayan, so parang may mga mushroom dito, guys. Ayan. So kinuhanan ko lang din. And then maluwang dito, ayun, meron siyang pinaka yung kanyang fire place, parang ganun, guys. And then ayan, so gloomy, guys. And ito yung drone ni husband. So, hindi din kami natuloy, guys, kasi kailangan ng updates ng drone ni husband. And buti na lang, guys, hindi pa kami nag-start. Kasi, eto po. So, yun po guys. And siguro try na lang uli bukas. Ayan. So, babalik na kami guys. At eto, nakabalik na kami. At ayan guys, na-ready na ni anak. Nabalot niya na yung ating lumpiang toge and nakaprito na rin. So, ngayon guys, umuulan na po. Dito guys, habang nakatayo ako, nakakita po ako uli ng deer. At nagulat, kaya tumakbo guys. And then ayan, at least nakuhanan ko pa siya kasi nagstay siya doon ng kaunti before umalis. And guys, so gagawa na si husband ng pizza. So simple lang po. And wala nga rin kami extra nga flour dito guys. So kung ano lang ang meron. Ayan. So ayan, nilagyan na namin ng sauce ng pasta guys. And then nilalagyan ni husband ng shredded cheese. Ayan. At nilagay na nga ni husband sa oven guys. At eto na siya. Sarap-sarap ng itsura guys. And then nanonood lang din kami. Ayan guys. So ang lamig. Pero naka-electric fan. And then guys, nagbabad na rin ako ng munggo para sa bukas na ulam. And then so magsi-seafood noodles kami ni anak. Kasi nga malamig. And then ayan yung ating lumpiang toge. So ayan guys. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. Thank you so much guys.